Hello, my name is Maxime Bost-Brown, and I will be talking about the contribution of global warming to severe winter weather in the northeastern United States. There is an irrefutable amount of evidence that the climate of the Earth is warming. Visually, we can see this through the use of simple time series graphs of temperatures. The average surface temperature of the Earth has increased about 1.62 degrees Fahrenheit since the late 19th century. The oceans on the Earth have increased about 0.4 degrees since 1969. Sea levels are rising, ice sheets are depleting, glaciers are retreating, marine life is dying, and more extreme weather events are occurring. In fact, the northeastern United States is seeing more frequent extreme winter weather events in correlation with global warming effects. So, what's the problem, you may ask? There are more severe extreme winter weather events occurring in the northeastern United States that require public officials and citizens to be better prepared. I live in New York, and I've noticed more and more extreme winter weather. I haven't given it much thought because it's New York, it snows a lot, but looking at the bigger picture, there are other places in the northeastern United States that have seen unusual winter weather at an increasing rate. Some of these places are not as equipped to handle extreme cold temperatures and heavy snowfall compared to, say, upstate New York. We're only seeing more of this. It's important to anticipate and plan for winter weather. New York State has been doing a better job at this with experience, and other places can learn. Perhaps this can help make it a little easier for those places to learn. My overall goal is to help keep people informed and arm them with the knowledge and tools to prepare them to handle extreme winter weather events more efficiently. My objectives include obtaining relevant data, for example, temperature data, snowfall totals, Arctic trends, performing a hotspot analysis, and conducting some statistical analyses. The first article I came across was talking about linking the increased frequency of extreme winter weather in the United States with the Arctic increasing in temperature. This publication, which was published in 2018, found that the Arctic is playing a much larger role in boundary force variability because of its accelerated warming in comparison to other global regions. This warming of the Arctic is somewhat counterintuitive when thinking about its impact on winter weather. The study conducted that this article describes found a correlation between Arctic warming and warming temperatures in spring, summer, and fall, and the Arctic warming and decreased temperatures in winter. This is called the warm Arctic, cold continents pattern. The Arctic being warm has been linked to heavy snowfall and colder temperatures in winter. This is a correlation, of course, and not causation. In the second article, they talk about, in detail, cold air outbreaks and extreme cold events. And they have worked to develop a preliminary ranking system for identifying these cold air outbreaks and extreme cold events. This ranking system will be very beneficial to the research community in organizing and standardizing their research and sharing it with others. I intend to use ArcMap to conduct a hotspot analysis on extreme winter weather events such as cold air outbreaks and heavy snowfall, spatial data aggregation because of the scope of time and amount of data I am expecting to work with, and statistical analysis to predict what temperature could look like in the future for the northeastern United States during the winter seasons. My expected results will include a map, or several maps, showcasing extreme winter weather hotspots in relation to the Arctic temperatures. I also expect to conduct an analysis of the change in climate over time, spatially for the northeastern United States region.